Go. Paul Gabriel, it's snow outside. Do you want to have a look outside? Wow. Look, my car is covered. Yeah. Yeah. Do you want to go up there in the chair and have a look? Up in the chair. Up. You want to go up there, up. Up in the chair. Have a look in the window. Wow. It's snowy. Wow. Look at that. Snow. Do you want to go up? Oh. Time to go adventure. Go, Gigi.
No.
Off you go. Whoa. Oh, your poor shoes. Are you gonna go or not? Go. Go. Are you staying there, so? Are you staying there? Come on. You alright, Shine? Come on, boy. This is too cold.
Can you help me?
Okay, you started.
How? How?
Are you coming out what? No? Come. Come on, Paul. Come out. No out. What's wrong, Paul? Sean, stop.
Hello.
It's snowing. Are you coming out? No? You're not coming out. You're all wrapped up. You're not coming out. Huh? Hello, Sean. Sean. Watch out, okay? Be careful. Don't run. It's slippery. Ow. Go. Hi, Paul. Where's Kuya? Kuya's over there. And Daddy there. Hello, Sean. Wow. Hard ice.
Ice.
Now, you're going up the steps. Yeah, mind your step. Wow. What's the bandit here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Philippines is over.
Ooh.
No more Philippines.
Lot more. Ooh, slippery. Wow. Whoa. You okay?
going up.
You must go before Daddy.
What?
Wow, Nana's house over there. Hello.
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 How are you?
What?
Okay, take a photo of you there. Look, the bandit is all frozen. What's Dada doing?
Thanks for watching. It's your time.